Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am very honored to present in front to give feedbacks. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. This is Aziza, a prospective student studying online courses of political science and public administration department under the graduation for Hope Rohingya institution. I am one of the Rohingya genocide survivors from Myanmar, but right now I live in the world's largest refugee camp in Bangladesh. I was a matriculation student in Myanmar, but I didn't get an opportunity on time to sit an exam due to the 2017 genocide. After I have completed my matriculation level in Chem in 2020, I couldn't find anywhere to study higher level of education. Eventually, I could able institution in 2021 that the courses made me really a skillful person, such as public speaker, leadership skills, social activities, and familiar with the field of political science. In addition, what I realized that political science is a significant field to solve the Rohingya crisis around the world. Thanks again to the Graduation for Hope institution. Assalamu alaikum.